Good morning, buenos dias. It's cooking with MEDAVOG, my world famous omelette with pico de gallo and a fabulous homemade salsita from the leftover carne asada burrito from last night. Using a spatula in a tiny little skillet, add butter and your favorite cage-free eggs. Make sure you add the pico de gallo after the fluffiness has ended. Continue to give it love and peace. Carefully move it, and then voila! Caso cerrado, case closed. Deliciousness is in the forecast on this rainy day. Then to top it all off, add the salsa. Get your favorite homemade flour tortilla and make yourself a lovely burrito. It's been cooking with MEDAVOG. Goodbye.